I recently stayed at the Prince Regent Hotel Excel London, and I am going to give my honest thoughts about it. For the best price for this hotel, check out the links in the description.
Arrival and check-in experience.
When we arrived, the staff at the 24-hour front desk were super friendly and helpful, making the check-in process a breeze. They even went above and beyond, offering us cold bottled water and free fruit, which was a nice touch. We got our room sorted quickly, and they even helped us with parking right away. It was a really smooth and positive start to our stay.
Room, bathroom, and the amenities.
The room was super clean and comfortable, which is always a win in my book. The modern bathroom with a great shower was a definite highlight, making getting ready a breeze. Plus, having a tea/coffee maker right there in the room with free toiletries was just perfect for those lazy mornings. Honestly, for the price, the room and its amenities were spot on and made for a really pleasant stay.
The location and surroundings.
The location was pretty great for what I needed. It was just a quick 5-minute walk to the Excel Exhibition Center, which was super convenient. Getting around was easy too, with the Prince Regent DLR station only a 7-minute walk away, connecting me to the rest of London. There were also a few shops and takeaways right on the doorstep, so grabbing a bite or anything I forgot was a breeze. Plus, it was a quiet area, which was nice for getting some rest after a busy day.
Food, drinks, and dining options.
When it comes to food, I was pleasantly surprised. They offer a tasty breakfast, and it's great that they even have free fruit and bottled water available. Plus, having a tea/coffee maker right in the room was a lifesaver for those early mornings. If you're looking for other options, there are a few shops and takeaways right nearby, and I even heard good things about Charcoal Restaurant on the same street. It's nice to know there are choices around, even if breakfast isn't always included in the room price.
What's it like to stay here?
Staying here, I really felt like the staff went out of their way to make sure I had a good time, always being super helpful and friendly. The room itself was clean and comfy, which is exactly what I look for after a long day. I also loved how easy it was to get around, especially with the Excel Center being so close. And hey, having free parking and some good food options nearby definitely didn't hurt.
Let's take a look at the pros and cons. Here's what I liked about the hotel. Super friendly staff. The staff were incredibly welcoming and helpful, even offering free water and fruit. Clean and comfy rooms. My room was spotless and comfortable with a modern bathroom and a great shower. Awesome location for events. It was a quick 5-minute walk to the Excel Exhibition Center, which was perfect for me.
Free and secure parking. Having free, secure parking on site was a huge bonus, especially in London.
Here's what I disliked about the hotel.
Rooms can be small and hot. My room felt a bit smaller than expected, and it got pretty warm, even with a fan. My overall rating for this hotel would be 8.6 out of 10. So, would I stay here again? Absolutely. Even with the room being a bit on the smaller side and getting a little warm, the super friendly staff, awesome location, and free parking totally made up for it. It's a solid choice if you're looking for good value and a chill place to crash, especially if you're hitting up the Excel Center. I definitely recommend it and would happily book it again. Thanks for watching. I added links from all hotel booking providers in the description so you can find the best price for this hotel. Make sure you check out the description below.